Howdy everybody. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. And y'all see that IKEA bag back there? Let me tell you this. We take our packages right now and drop them on the porch so the postman can pick them up because of the coronavirus. And we leave the bag just sitting out on the porch when he's done with it, until the next morning. Then we throw it in the car, bring it back over here and so forth.
Plus it rained, so we let the bag dry.
I found out this morning my wife, Courtney, is terrified of a little old tree frog.
If it's in the car with me, yeah.
She gets that bag, and when she gets in, she just throws it back there. She said, "Hey, I just threw something back there by the bag. What was it?" Man, this frog went crawling up the seat back there. She started screaming.
Well, I mean,
Just
come on, it's 6:42 in the morning.
Little bitty old tree frog.
Yeah, I'd freak out too if it's 6:42 in the morning.
Made me get out the car and go back there and fish that thing out. It was crawling up there in the window trying to get out.
You darn skippy.
I just took me a book and I just smashed him and killed him.
He didn't kill him. He caught him and let him go.
I wouldn't kill no tree frog. We are covered up with flies and mosquitoes, so every frog right now is a blessing. Eat them jokers, buddy.
Probably got some big ones in that ditch.
It rained all day yesterday. I'm pretty sure all my little brims got washed away.
It's June 10th, by the way.
So let's get in here and get after it. Let's go. Alrighty, guys and gals. So here's our orders going out today on eBay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. And y'all check this out. You ready? Blah blam. We got us some Cajun Roots reseller merch. I got mine too. I just ain't wearing it today, but she's wearing hers. And it says, what does it say? Will I stop thrifting or garage sales? Who? Not me. So that's Johnny over at Cajun Roots Reseller. So let's get started and let's get these things pulled. Alrighty, guys and gals. So the first thing we got to get is some new kits on the block. Oh, Marky Mark. So I sold some pins. We picked these up a while back at a yard sale. Here's one of them. So these are some new kids on the block. See these here? There's some member exclusive pins. These sold for us for $22.35. We'll set them there. Next thing is a LuLaRoe Carly, selling at LuLaRoe again. M5A15. This LuLaRoe sells. This is just a Carly dress, kind of got like a Southwestern, Aztec, abstract type design on it, sure. And it sells, but I wouldn't go out to a thrift store now and pay $5 a piece for this. You can get LuLaRoe in bulk, okay? And your cost, say about 90 cents a piece to $1 a piece or less. Pick it up, because I mean it's all gonna sell. And it don't sell for great money. Some of it sells for alright money. Most of it's gonna be between the $10 and $15 mark plus shipping. This sold for us for $13.49 plus shipping. Now we got to get an airplane buckle on N1B. Right here. Let me come in from the back way. Airplane buckle. Here it is. This is just basically an extension for an airplane seat. So you bigger people, like if you can't get the buckle on, you clip this in to, the female end of the airplane seat.
And what about seat belts? To fasten. Take the little end and stick it in the big end, and you know what? If you guys don't know how to use a seat belt, just ring your call button and Tommy will come back there and hit you on the head with a tack hammer because you're a retard.
And it gives you that much more to go around you. Pretty neat. So this ended up selling for us for not big money at all, $6.71 plus shipping. Now we sold some sandals. I forgot we moved all the shoes all the way on the bottom. These are just some Skechers sandals. See these here? Real good condition. US 10 leather. And these sold for us for $15.19 plus shipping. Now we got to get a game on M1B. Cold case files. This is a computer game right here. And it's just in a box. Look at this. And it sold for us for $5.52 plus shipping. Now we got to get a Gone with the Wind DVD.
It's under Casablanca.
Casablanca. I gotta find.
There's Road Trip, and then Casablanca, and then Gone with the Wind.
This right here, Gone with the Wind. DVD new sealed, and this sold for $5.24 plus shipping. Now on M2, we got some Reynolds Fun Shape tins right here. These are just some little heart-shaped tins. 2-pack of them. I put they were bent, the first one was. But these are from 2006, I believe. Yep, 2006. And these sold for $7.49 plus ship. So here's our orders going out today. Grateful to have all these sales. And they're all easy shippers, so real happy with that. So we're gonna get this stuff packed up. Alrighty guys and gals, so that's gonna do it for this video. Today we what time is it? 8:14 a.m. So we got our orders packed up from eBay, you just seen, and I also filmed part 1 of the Amazon series. It's gonna come out probably on Sunday, and part 2 will probably be Sunday too. We're probably gonna release part 1 and part 2 on Sunday, and then the following Sunday will be part 3 or 4, whatever, so forth. Hopefully we're gonna release the Amazon videos once a week, starting off, see what kind of attention they get, or if they're helpful. And if they are, we may do it twice a week or just whenever, I don't know. We'll figure that out. But we got that filmed, got our packages done. Now we gotta sit them on the porch, and then we gotta box up some stuff to take UPS and list the rest of them books. And hopefully no more frogs get in the car.
Let's hope not.
But if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for me.
If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell.
And it's probably gonna be raining here again. It rained yesterday a lot. What I hate is whenever you hear thunder in the distance, you check your radar and you say, hey, I got time to run to Taco Bell before it gets here if we hurry. So we get in the car and we can see the cloud a coming. And I would have made it too, but as I'm pulling into drive-through lines, some idiot whips in front of me, okay? Cuts me off in a drive-through line. And guess what? He didn't know what he wanted, so he sat there at that drive-through menu for 15 minutes. It wasn't that long, probably 7 minutes, trying to figure out what he wanted to order. And guess what happened? We get caught out in a darn
downpour,
hurricane coming down on us, wind blowing. It was horrible. Wasn't worth it.
Would have been fine if we would have made it, but we didn't make it.
I hate people that go in a drive-through line. Listen, if you go through the line, you generally already know what you want. And if you don't know what you want, you can generally make your mind up in about 15 to 20 seconds. This guy took 5 minutes.
Probably 5 to 7.
Just sitting there. I could hear him. Give us a minute. Give us a minute.
And then when they get up to the window, they have like one tiny bag.
Yeah, horrible. Anyhow, so I don't know why I told y'all that, but I did. So now we're going to get in here and get busy. We're going to drop this off, get our day going as normal. And we'll see you guys and gals tomorrow.
Bye, y'all.